Oh, what does it say?
Ah.
The second one starts with that magic C, and then I pull up, bump, and stop. A, and it says ah. And then my third one starts with that magic C again, but it goes up a little bit higher and bumps and stop. Huh? Huh? D. And what does D say? D. D. Alright, we have O, A, and D. Okay? Alright, so we're going to, got my cards, alright? When I put them up there, I want to hear their sound, okay? Ah. Ah. D. Okay? Alright, I'm going to take the D away for a minute, and we're going to play our sound game. You ready? Remember, start slow and then it gets faster. Start slow and gets faster. I'm going to scoot them out a little bit. All right, you ready? Ah.
Ah. Ah. Ah. Ah. Ah.
All right, now we're going, listen, we're going to listen to it because sometimes we do find them at the beginning of a word like ostrich or apple. Sometimes we hear them in the middle of a word, right here. Okay, so we're going to sound these out. Are you ready? Dad. Our word is dad. Are you ready? D-ad. What did I hear? Go back to the A. I heard my ah in the middle. Oh, scoot down a little bit. All right, you ready? Hot. Let's do our hot. You ready? Hot. What did I hear? Go back to the middle. I heard ah. All right. This one is a dot. It rhymes with hot. It's dot. You ready? D-ot. Ah. We heard ah. Oh, I can sit right. I'll sit right there. All right, next one. Hat. Ready? The word is